today I'm going to show you a couple of our cool machines. Right now behind me, this is the Joulin vacuum lift. And what this does is it's able to take 36-foot long engineered material and bring it to the infeed chain on our speed cut machine. And so that could be glue lam in any width and eye joists as well. And so while that's happening, we have the machine able to cut parts. And right now these are cutting long rafters for us. And this is automatically exported from our CADWork software to the machine. And so of course it cuts the parts very fast, but it also does many other things. It has a marking pen for stud layout on our top and bottom plates. It does bird mouth cuts with highly complex valley cuts. A revolver mill can come up and down, make notches, as well as a drill to pre-drill for the shop floor and on site. And what that does for it is limits people from having to bring out a tape measure, do any type of layout, but to also start screws for those guys that are heading out to the site and fixing these panels together. And so we can see a rafter being cut right now, and this will be going to the roof shop, but all of the materials for our 3 different lines get cut on this.